We're out here, my buddy's ripping around his Outcast, having a little fun, and he has officially been rehooked. We both used to have nitro cars back in the day. Nitro cars are just messy and smelly. They're fun, but gas is just different. All right, buddy, let's go. Rip her up. I am on, right? I'm blinking. Oh, that's a 100C 9000. That's gonna have some pop for about 20 minutes. That's like
this arm doesn't fall apart.
Unless you land really hard, you should be fine. Gas. Oh no. Oh no. Man down. He went nose into the ground. Look at that. 2 inches into the ground. Oh. Oh no.
She's done.
Oh. What happened?
She's broken.
Oh no! Oh no! Man down. He went nose into the ground. Look at that. 2 inches into the ground. Oh! Oh no!
She's done.
Oh! What happened?
She's broken.
What happened?
Oh no.
Damn.
Well, there's that.
Okay. No, your axle's out. Your axle's out. Your axle's out.
Yeah, no.
This one is.
She can ride on 3 wheels. Oops.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
That was that.
Oh boy, one crash land. Don't crash it, Frankie. If you do, it's okay. The Outcast 6S. Watch yourself, pal. Oh, easy, easy, easy. You're gonna kick stones all over the house, all over the cars. Oh.
Dude, it's so wet.
Damn, that was my camera not on right now. Why did you do that?